It's no more a new thing that the airdrop space have now migrated to the Telegram bot mining, which can be also be temporal, but since it's actually migrated to that place and developers are now developing their projects in Telegram, it's time for us to take Telegram mining serious. So Telegram airdrop is back and it's now legit. So we have a couple of ones we have been doing, be it TapSwap, Hammercoin, Bloom and other things, but today's video is about this particular new one that is kind of hard to get, but it's not stressful, and also you can also get a good amount of it if you're actually serious about it, just like I'm going to show you guys. So what you have to do is to first of all watch this video attentively as I'm making this video, explain to you guys the things you need to do to actually earn from this. This is my first video on this particular project, so it's not going to be that long. So what you have to do is to watch this video attentively and follow the link in the description of this video to sign up and then start mining. Also, don't forget to join my WhatsApp group, and if you kind of get this video informative, don't forget to drop a like and then subscribe to the channel for more updates. And with this I said, let's dive in. So without saying much, this is seed mining, and there are some ways to accumulate coin from it. So first thing first is to click try your best to be claiming this your whatever you earn every 3 hours. So once you claim it, your storage is going to be empty and it's going to enter your seed balance. So as you can see, I'm having 6.4 seed balance, and as I claim this thing now, my storage is now mining for me. It's now mining in 2x speed. So you can go over to mission over here. There are series submission to complete. As you can see, I've completed these particular ones, and try your best to be logging in daily for daily bonus, for daily login bonus. So this is my seventh day strict daily login. So I'm going to click on it, and I've completed the mission, so I'm going to click on get it. So there is other missions here. You can click on boost our garden, and let's see what it's going to do. So if I click on boost channel, if I take me to the channel or whatever, and let me see what is going to ask me to do. So let me click on blue channel, only Telegram premium subscribers computer. So I'm not Telegram premium on this account, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm going to log into my account again and see if I can do other tasks that is in the site. So this is the mission. Let me build again, invite premium friends. So I'm not using premium on this account, and I have another premium account which I can easily invite, but it's going to be in mine once I'm done with this video. So this is it. Try your best to complete any task which you can complete here and earn from it. So as you can see now, with the daily login that I just did, I have gotten my accounts have increased to 6.5 for seed. So one big advantage of this kind of project that is hard to accumulate a very big amount of it is that it's going to cook well. When it's going to cook well. So what thing you have to do is to try your best to accumulate as much as you can while the stock lasts. So you can actually go over to boost and try your best to use whatever you have to increase your earning or your storage level or whatever. So this is it. Try your best to always activate your account every 3 hours. It's not going to be costing you anything. This is not a tapping project. No, it's less stressful, and this is one good thing I like about the project. So try your best and do it. There sometimes they're going to give you option of tapping on this tree to earn more things. So for now, just do whatever you want to do. You can equally invite your friends. You can even click on this particular place and invite friends. Copy your referral link, just like I'm inviting you guys. Copy your referral link and invite your friends. So that is it. So I hope I've given you guys all the value you need from this video, and if you get value from it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Now with this I said, see you guys on my next video. Bye.